Hey y'all, my name is Brie. I'm the head of marketing over here at JobSight, and we were built within a restoration company, and we're an all-in-one software. So we understand that it's a little bit tricky to change over softwares, and we want to talk a little bit more about that pain. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over to our director of sales, John, and he's going to tell you a little more about it.
Thanks, Brie. I'm John, head of sales at JobSight. Changing software, as you know, can be a pain, not anymore. At JobSight, we know that many teams that come on board with us talk about how it's frustrating, it's hard. Switching softwares and ease of use is not an easy thing. That's where JobSight comes in. We're simple, easy to use, and effective for your team. We're built by contractors for contractors like yourselves. We offer unlimited jobs, data, customer support whenever you need them throughout the whole process. Kenna is going to tell you a little bit more about what coming on board with JobSight will look like.
Thanks, John. I'm Kenna. I'm an accounting specialist, and I could talk your ear off all day on how great our onboarding and customer success and support is at JobSight. But I don't want you to take our word for it. Check out our Google reviews with real customers telling you how great our platform is for their company and what our success team has been for them. Like John said, our training is unlimited and it doesn't stop after onboarding. Not only do we have our one-on-one training and support, we're just launching a new learning center called Site School with a bunch of little videos on all of our features in JobSight, making it easier for you and your team to hop on when you can. We know you have busy schedules, so that's available for you, as well as our one-on-one training. And with that, I'm going to throw it back to Brie.
Thanks, Kenna. We really appreciate you taking the time to check out JobSight. Feel free to visit our website at jobsight.com, where you can see all of our features. You can book a demo or you can fill out a contact form and we can reach out to you. See you soon.